To begin with the Duterte administration, which was the first administration to use the term war on drugs to signify its prioritization of the enforcement of our anti-illegal drugs laws, all the way to the present time. Under our Senate rules, the Blue Ribbon Committee has jurisdiction over matters relating to investigation of malfeasance, misfeasance, and nonfeasance in office by officers and employees of the government. Malfeasance is intentional conduct that is wrongful or unlawful. Nonfeasance is failure to act where there was a duty to act. Misfeasance is conduct that is lawful but harms another person due to carelessness or an accident.